Guys, you will not believe what just happened to me. I'm at the Big T, the Target, and I fucking found One Piece cards. My addiction continues. I cannot believe I found these. Like, there was so many over there. I have a picture. It was absolutely insane. This is not something you run into every day. Usually these people buy out everything they got. They might even stop me because I have 8 of these motherfuckers in my cart right now. But I'm gonna try to be sneaky and grab them just because my addiction has to continue. No questions asked. I'll show y'all the video of me opening them. I cannot fucking wait, man. We're gonna get the manga. The manga's coming, guys. It was my birthday recently, so, you know, I kind of deserve this. I only grabbed 8, and they're about $10 per pack. So I bought 8 packs, which, not packs, but 8 boxes, which each have, you know, 2 packs per box, plus the weird little Don card pack. So it was my birthday recently, so I'm just gonna go back. I'm gonna grab 2 more, just because it was my birthday. Might as well make it a round number and grab myself 20 packs to open with y'all. But yeah, here, I'll show you guys. Look how much. There are so many. It is absolutely crazy. Maybe I should just buy the loose packs, but what I think I'm gonna do is just grab 2 more of these boxes. Just 2 more of these boxes. And that'll put me at an even 20 and $100 down. But, you know, that's part of the life, man. That's part of the thrill of ripping packs, is that you never know what you're gonna get. I'm a gambler. I'm going to the self-checkout now. Hopefully they don't stop me from buying all these. We'll see. I doubt they will, because they want that money. But I'll see you guys when I open the packs. All right, boys, let's go. We got 5% off for my birthday. Gotta go ahead and enter my birthday. 0608, that's my birthday. There you go. And then there we go, boys. We are rocking and rolling. Let's fucking go. All right, guys, holy crap. We are in this shit, boys. We are fucking in this shit. We are back. Look at this shit. I cannot believe how many packs we have this time. We found a fucking buttload of these OP11 little boxes, and we decided to pick up 10 of them. That's about 20 packs total, not including the little, you know, Don card that comes with each pack. I don't know why I'm opening it like this. I can just open it the normal way. This is gonna be an insane opening because I have not opened very many of these packs, only 4 so far. And after those 4, I said I was done. But here we are. I'm gonna save these white ones till the end. I really don't know if you can get anything good in these, but these packs here have beautiful hits in them. Let me go ahead and quickly grab some scissors. All right, guys, let's go right into it. We don't mess around when it comes to these. We don't want to damage any of the cards. We have sleeves on like standby for if we pull an absolute monster. We're looking for so many different cards in this set because this set is just jam-packed with absolute bangers. First pack magic. Can we get some first pack magic in the chat, please, guys? We got some crazy characters that I don't even know, and I'm just not I'm not really sure what to expect opening these cards. All I'm trying to do is make sure that the shot is good and I don't accidentally like miss out on anything. Guys, pay attention. I'm seeing some crazy stuff for this first pack. We got an SEC star. Oh my god, first pack magic. Oh my god, let's get some light in here. Oh my fucking god, guys, what is this first pack magic? Holy shit, oh my gosh. Okay, that's one way to start the fucking pack opening. Holy shit. Boys, I knew this was gonna be a good idea. This is what happens when you gamble. You fucking get all money, guys. Oh my god, guys, this is an insane card. An SEC star? I think that means it's an SEC alt art. Holy crap, what a way to fucking start. First pack magic in the chat, boys. Holy shit. Oh my god. What a crazy way to start. That is unexpected. Guys, I think this is going to be a pretty good opening. We also got this babe over here, but that's nothing compared to our babe Kobe. Jesus. Holy crap, what a way to start. I did not expect to start so crazy. Jeez, I don't even know what to say. Oh, yeah, I'm going to try to focus a little bit on my commentary because I know, this is not, we got a leader pack here. Ooh, we got a little leader pack. Yusuf, I know you love these. I'm going to be sending these to basically the same group of people that I sent them to last time. Really like that Orochi card. It's sick as hell. I know a lot of y'all are doing some different stuff now. I know that my boy Pepe, I think, is in Japan right now. I know that Yusuf was in Japan a little bit ago, but he actually ended up going to Thailand. For everyone wondering, ChatGPT is not allowed in Thailand. So we don't know if Yusuf is alive. We don't know. I think Yusuf might have forgotten to breathe or, just forgotten to walk in general, because generally Yusuf does not know how to do anything without ChatGPT. We got a really nice card here. Aramaki. That is the new admiral. He is a tree. It's a very, very nice card. All right, that's the first box. Oh shit, my little castle kind of fell there. Eric is grinding up in Germany. He is still preparing for his bodybuilding show. He's also about to start school again. On top of that, he is still working. So it's like Eric has a lot on his table. Roman should be, Roman by now. Roman went back to Kazakhstan. I always get fucking flamed for how I say that. And he should be just probably getting back with his ex-girlfriend. Hopefully not. I pray my boy is reluctant and he does what's good for himself. Otherwise, if he did get back with his ex, that's okay too. I support my boy no matter what he does. We're on to our second box here, guys. Can we get another crazy hit? Or are we just gonna, start first pack magic and not be able to hit anything else after that? Who else? My boy Edward, he's over in Germany. I think he should be starting work soon as well. I think he's doing pretty well. I've talked to him a little bit, He's grinding. We're both grinding. We have some crazy work going on. I'm sure his is a little bit crazier than mine. Ooh, look at this Robin card. Ooh, la la. Ooh, Mirror Dimension. And to finish it off, a nice little SR Helmeppo. Our little boy Helmeppo, Kobe's best friend. He can chill with Kobe over here. That's a good hit. We will take that. That artwork is beautiful. Look at the clouds in the background there. I really do like this artwork. But yeah, for y'all wondering what I'm doing for my internship, for those kind of nerdy computer science guys out there, I'm going to be using the application Snowflake to be building my own DBMS, my own database system. I work for United Healthcare, for those who don't know. And what I'm doing is data analytics. So I'll be collecting a bunch of data and inputting it into a database system, which I create. And in this I'm kind of nervous because I kind of see something shiny back there. I saw something shiny for both of these as well. But yeah, basically I learned SQL over in my semester abroad in Korea, and I'll be trying to do my best to create a system and collect a bunch of data on different healthcare systems. Specifically, I'll be collecting SDOH, which is an acronym for social discriminants of health, which is basically means like healthcare is needed for people who not only have physical demands but also some social demands, such as low income housing. They might have not access to the best quality of food because of food deserts. Basically, I'll be collecting data on how other healthcare companies collect data on these SDOHs. This is a quick little kind of explanation of what I'm doing. That's my whole project for the internship. I think it's really cool. If you guys, enjoy data analytics and you ever want to talk to me about it, I would love to talk. If you want to learn more about data analytics. Oh, I was distracted by the Geometry Dash in the background. I'm not gonna lie. I got a nice little Kizaru card, and I do see something kind of nice back there. Oh my god. Oh, we have an SEC. Is this the same card that I already pulled? It is. Round 2, baby. We got another duplicate. This time, we'll take this duplicate any day. We have the crazy Luffy SEC that I pulled with Va. We'll absolutely take that any single day. This card is worth about $15, so $16 about. We'll take that any day. This Kobe card, I bet, is worth a lot more than this Luffy card, but this Luffy card is so nice, man. It's like legit the cover art of the box is this Luffy card, so it's gonna be a good card. We're looking for more hits, guys. Did I not tell you that this is gonna be hit central, guys? You better be paying attention. I know some of y'all be sleeping during these videos. Wake up, yo, wake up. It's not time to sleep, man. It's time to watch me open some packs and rip this bitch, bro. This is crazy work going on, man. Shit, guys, I don't got YouTube Red, so a bunch of ads are gonna be popping up in the background. I'm trying to do like one of those TikTok things where it's like, they have Subway Surfers in the background. I know some of y'all be sleeping. Wake up, yo. This is serious shit going on. Yeah, we got some other stuff going on. We got my boy Skippy. He opened a couple of these packs, the other day. He opened some crazy hits. He's been having some nutty luck. He opens Pokemon packs as well, as do I. Not as anymore. I used to open a lot more Pokemon packs, but now I'd just be focused on One Piece. He opened a really crazy Bubble Mew. If you guys are into Pokemon cards, I don't know if any of you are, then Bubble Mew is a crazy expensive card worth like $300 raw, and he managed to pull that. It's a really beautiful card, shiny little Bubble Mew. One of his friends, Skippy, also pulled the Gear 2 in this set, which is the crazy alt art. I don't even know how to describe it. It's insane artwork. If we can pull one of those, they're worth almost $150 raw. Just insane luck over with Skippy. Pretty sure he's in Florida, but things change. He probably traveled back home to Maryland. I'm not 100% sure where he's at now, but he's doing good stuff, just grinding. My boy Va over here in Minnesota grinding. He got a new shawty with him. Shawty is like the melody in my head. Every time I be singing like na 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 every day. And my heart beats every way you say. My boy Va Risen out here. Risen all the shawties up. Who else we got to name? We got Alish. I'm pretty sure Alish is in Turkey now, doing some crazy. He works for a company. I'm not sure if it's a startup. I'm pretty sure it's a startup, but the startup just opened and launched. So I think that he'll be, working in Turkey, doing some crazy stuff in Istanbul. Shout out to my Istanbul boys. I don't think my Istanbul boys are in Istanbul right now, but when they are Istanbul boys at heart. Little monkey. We got a little monkey. Choppa! Ripper. That's what I am. I'm a pack ripper. Jeez. We got Prince Groose. And we got Nami! Yay! Everyone cheer for Nami. Everyone cheer for Nami. Yeah, it's crazy. What's crazy is that, like, I'm working a 9 to 5 now, and I'm actually pretty much enjoying it. It's weird thinking about being in an office every single day, you know, for 5 days a week, 8 hours a day for the rest of my life. But, you know, I really don't mind if I'm able to come back home and do this kind of stuff and just really open some cool packs, get some really cool cards. I'm already way happy with the cards we've pulled. Just so happy with this set. The set is so fun. There's so many really crazy hits that you can get from this pack or from this set in general. Even if it's not the manga art, there's the gold Luffy card, the silver Luffy card, there's the crazy alt art, like weird gray cards, there's the manga card, there's the alt art SECs, alt art stars. There's so many crazy cards in this set, and I'm super excited to see if we can get anything else. If we don't, you know, we already got 2 crazy hits. Really cool Zoro card. I think there's a really nice Zoro card in this set. We keep getting this bitch, this bad bitch. No idea why. Oh my god, look at this artwork. Ooh, dude, it's so pretty. This Garp card, oh dude. I know it's only an SR, but oh my god, the shine, the fist, the artwork. Jeez, man, this set is beautiful in every single way. Sleeving this baby up too. I really like how my sleeves kind of match the vibes as well, kind of. I mean, it's like the pack is pink, and we got, actually, let me set this up a little bit. We got Luffy and Nami over here because they're, you know, booze and everything. Not booze, but like they're on the same crew. We got Colby and Helmeppo, who are under Garp, and we're gonna kind of cover up Helmeppo because he's kind of not very important compared to Colby. And that Colby card is not to be covered. Oh, I'm so worried. Am I cutting the card? Ooh, I really hope. Oh yeah, I just cut a card. Shit. You guys gotta be careful using scissors. If this is the manga card, my heart is shattering, guys. I think I just cut the card like really badly. Let's see. Yeah. Luckily, it's a leader pack. I don't know if you guys can see this. Oh my god, imagine this is the manga. Jesus Christ, that is so scary. That is so scary. Oh my god, guys. Okay, thank god that's the leader. I thought that I saw like peep through the cracks at the top of a really crazy card, but luckily I'll just skip it. Luckily it's just so scary. A Charlotte Perospero. We have a really cool, dang, look at this Luffy leader. Jeez, man, the artwork in this set is just beautiful. Thank God that we did not pull a crazy ass card. My heart legit dropped when I saw the leader because I thought it was a super insane card that I ripped with my scissors. I've never done that before where I just cut a card straight up. That's the dangers of using the scissors, is like you can sometimes cut a card, but in return, like when opening these packs, you don't like bend them when you rip them. You know what I mean? I can do it. I know some of y'all like it when I rip the pack without the scissors. After doing that, like, oh my gosh, can I get this thing out? After cutting a card, I think I might take y'all's advice for once and actually rip them the classic way, because my heart just dropped. I got so scared for a second. Let's just do a classic rip. But at the same time, I do that and I can actually like see the SR in the back there. So I feel like I kind of failed. Mission failed. Let me just go ahead and quickly go through this one since I saw the Nami card. Nami and the Kizaru card, both of them. I have so many of those Nami cards. I actually have 3 now. The Duplicate City, the hit rates, it's so much easier to get an SR in these kind of packs than it is in the Korean packs I was opening. If that makes sense. Like the Korean packs I was opening, SRs were like the hits. Like we did not pull like SRs in every pack. It seems like in this one, it's a little bit easier to pull those SRs. But yeah, still plenty of packs left. Still got some hits coming. I can sense them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes left after this. And this is another leader pack. Oh, we got a Dawn card. A Dawn card with a leader pack. I don't know what that means, if it means anything good. I don't think so, but let's see. I've not pulled a Dawn card from this pack yet. So I'm really excited to see what the Dawn cards look like. Because I do actually collect Dawn cards. For y'all wondering what Dawn cards are, they're kind of like the cool little manga looking cards. There's a Jinbei leader. A really, really cool Honesty Impact. This is when Colby saved Garp. I think it's legit, the little picture in there. And then we have, oh no, that's not the Dawn card. We have a lot of nice cards in this. We have 3 like shiny cards, and this is the Dawn card here. I really like that. It's when, pretty sure it's when Sanji came back to Luffy after like completely betraying his ass. Fucking Sanji was kind of fucking dope in this arc, just like beating the shit out of Luffy for no reason. If y'all have seen the anime, y'all know what I'm talking about. But Sanji low-key became a huge simp after the time skip. Not that he wasn't a simp pre-time skip, but post-time skip, it's like they just did him so dirty. Like, they got rid of all of his cool traits and just made his entire purpose to goo goo gaga over girls, bro. He's like deadass me in Korea, bro. I was just goo goo gagaing over all the females, but didn't get any females, bro. That's just some facts right there. I'm like slowly like moving more in front of the camera. I want to give you guys space to see everything, so I'm gonna try to like not clutter the front of the camera. The last time I recorded this video in vertical, I know that was a mistake. I was like looking at the video, I was like, damn it, you can barely even see what I'm opening. So this time I'm just recording this on my phone. This time I have everything tilted down or tilted sideways so you can see. Another Dawn card. Let's go. Is this a leader pack? I wonder if all leader packs have Dawn cards. I really don't mind getting Dawn cards because I really like the way they look. I collect them. I think they're not very valuable, but they're fun. They're kind of unique. I prefer them much more than leader cards. But if I can get a leader, like a leader alt art, we'll take that any day, of course. We get a leader alt art. Oh man, we got a really cool leader pack, Shirahoshi here. Then we'll have a couple shinies. We have another Prince Goose. We have, seems like when we have a Dawn card, we'll get these gold cards here. Ah, too bad. We got a duplicate. We do not fuck with duplicates. I'm still getting sketched out by opening these packs with scissors. I think that's just because there's so many more cards in these. I have to make sure that they aren't, the back card isn't sticking up like that one time. Jeez, we didn't, still so shocking. All right. At the end of this, we still have 10 of those white packs to open. Last time we got kind of fucked. Me and Va opened these and we got the same. I think it says Special Dawn on it. So, you know, after saying I like Dawn cards so much, I have 10 packs to open, which all have Dawn cards in them. I'm not sure if I can pull like those crazy. I think that's what they're actually called. The card that Skippy pulled from this set is, I think it was a Dawn card. I don't know if it was in that specific set though. I think it was in a normal pack. When I saw the video, it looked like it was, but that doesn't mean that I can't pull them in those special packs. So those white packs I think could have some crazy hits in them. We'll see. Still nothing crazier than that first pack magic that we had just now with this Colby card. I don't want to get lost. I want you guys to be able to see that. That's an insane card. This guy is so drip. This guy kind of reminds me of I'm not gonna lie. That's like Yusuf with his wide ass neck. Actually, no, this is dead ass Yusuf with his wide ass neck, bro. This is Pepe. This looks exactly like Pepe. Or this is Pepe. Or this is Pepe. Oh look, there's Pepe and Va. Jeez, bro, look at this fucking crazy shit. This is like, looks like something I'll shove up my ass, bro. What the fuck is that? We got Jinbei. We got a fucking oven out here. Sorry about the ads in the background. I'm not even getting monetized for these motherfuckers, and they're showing up on my video. And we got Capone. Crazy. All right. Let's see if we can keep getting some hits here. We're on a dry streak, but the thing about dry streaks is when you're on a dry streak, that means all that can happen is you hit crazy. Am I right, guys? Am I right? Am I right, guys? Or am I right? All you can do when you're on a dry streak is hit crazy cards. So let's see if we can get a crazy card in this pack. We got my boy Smoker. Smoker has not been in the anime recently. It's been a long time since he showed up in the anime. I hope he comes back soon because he's a really cool character. I bet next time he comes back, he'll be hella strong. A really nice Zeus card. I like that. It looks really cool. Oh my god, guys. Is this Destiny? Jeez. So nuts. I keep getting these Namis, bro. I know there has to be different SRs in this set. This damage too? Yeah, this has like a little white tick mark in the corner of it too. I know they ain't giving to they're giving me these for a reason, bro. Like, they must have some reason to give me, what, 4 duplicate cards of Nami? Like, come on now. I know what you guys are doing. You're just wanting the gooners in the chat to goon, bro. I cannot stand that. Duplicates are like my least favorite thing. Like, although this Luffy card is absolutely insane, you know I would rather have another SEC that I don't have already, even though the Luffy card is awesome. Like, you cannot complain getting the card, but that doesn't mean that I wouldn't want another card, you know what I mean? We're coming down to the last of it, guys. We have 3 boxes left. We gotta get some crazy stuff in these 3 boxes. Let's see here. This box, I'm kind of sensing something, guys. If you're sleeping, wake up. I kind of sense something in this one, guys. Oh my god, I just cleaned up my room too. Now it's a huge mess. Just cannot. Oh, I just don't want to. I'm so scared after doing that. All right, guys. Let's see. We got an Odahime, Judge, Jury, Executioner, Ryobushi. I swear, some ugly ass characters. Usopp, big ass nose Usopp. Is this a Don? No, I was about to say this is a Don. Another really cool leader pack. Prince Groose. And this is a kind of what, this is the Gear 2 card that Skippy got, but it was alternate art. It was crazy looking. It's exactly the same as this one though. All right. It's been raining so much while I've been here. It's like flood warnings and all of that crazy stuff. There's so many cards in this stuff, man. In this packs, there's like 40 cards per pack. They all feel like super heavy. Briscoe, Frankie, Chiffon. Oh, I really want like a really nice Aokiji card. Oh, look at that Jinbei card. We got an SR, guys. At least it's not a Nami. A really kind of cool looking Jinbei card here. Good artwork. Once again, this set just has amazing artwork. We got a lot of straw hats. I'm really happy with that. I really want an Aokiji card though. If I can get like a full art SR Star, SEC Kuzan, I don't know if that exists. We're at to move this stuff over here now because we're down to our last box, or second to last box. If there's like a full or Kuzan or... 1 second. Oh, alright, sorry guys. My sister needed something from me. I just noticed there's a really cool Garp artwork on this. And there's the Colby card that I pulled. I did not know this artwork was there. I hope that the lighting is not too bad. And there's the Meppo. Jeez, man. I pulled all the cards from the box. That's funny. All right here, too. I mean, I guess I did open 10 of these things. I mean, we're just making an absolute mess over here. I got packs everywhere, man. Jesus. Let's see. We're down to our last 4 packs. These packs have been kind of brutal. I'm always just turning it around to see if we got a leader pack on the back there, just because leader packs are really, really nice if it's an alt art. Otherwise, you're just getting screwed, man. Oh, never mind. I thought that was hollow. I was about to say a really nice Frankie card. Another fucking leader pack. Jesus. That's not all we're looking for. Jeez, man. We have gotten this Luffy art so many times. We love the Luffy, man. I said it was really nice, and now it's just giving me every single leader pack ever made. I feel like this is going to be a leader pack too. It's not. Let's go. All right. I hope you guys are enjoying this style of video. You know, it's not easy to commentate for 20 minutes or however long this video is. I guess it is kind of easy for me because I'm just fucking opening One Piece cards. Another Helmeppo and a really nice Shirahoshi here. And low-key, I'm just watching the video in the back. I'm really not going to sleeve that. All right. Let's put these cards over here just for a second because we're going to open our last box. I'll go over the hits at the end. Hells no, I get Taylor Swift off my screen, bro. What the fuck? Oh, let's open this. Oh, I'm curious to hear what the rest of y'all do for your summer. For me, I might have a couple friends visit. Otherwise, I'm just gonna be doing what I'm doing. I know. I'm sorry. I'm supposed to be starting this Realms, but I was gonna do it today, and I got distracted. And to be honest, my brain only has capacity to do one thing at a time. I've been just so busy with work. I know this just sounds like excuses, but I've been so busy with work, trying to see my friends from Minnesota, just catching up with things that I haven't done in a while, that I just been so slow with starting the Minecraft server. But the Minecraft server is coming. I really hope that everyone participates in the Minecraft server because it's going to be a lot of fun. Who doesn't like Minecraft, bro? Like, who doesn't love Minecraft? Plus, I got a super cool seed. A super cool seed to like, it's gonna be the same one, watch, yeah. It's absolutely crazy, my luck here with duplicates. All right, guys, last pack magic. Last pack magic. I guess we have the 10 white cards, but I don't know if I can get anything good out of those. I'm guessing I can. Last pack magic. First pack magic, last pack magic. I have a really cool seed that I'm gonna play on. I think that y'all are gonna really like it. It's the new update. I don't know. I don't think many of us have played the new update. I think it's been a couple years since we played the Minecraft. You know what I mean? It's been at least a year for me since I played Minecraft last. And I think, of course, we're going to end with a duplicate. So funny, man. No last pack magic here, but we do got the cool dawns left. Let's see if we can get some hits out of this. Whatever that is, that's looks sus as fuck, bro. Am I the only one who thinks this shit looks really fucking sus, bro? What the hell is that, bro? That's some sus shit there, man. Yeah. Oh my god. Guys, we're in trouble. We're in deep trouble now, man. I think that, you know, with the new, like, mob and the new, you know, kind of gas creature, it's gonna be so much fun to just be riding around on a gas, fucking around, you know what I mean, killing each other and shit. Please, when you have time, hop on the Minecraft server as soon as I make it. We have a long summer ahead of us, boys. You know, that doesn't mean we haven't missed only a week of Minecraft time. It's only been a week since I got back to Minnesota, so you guys really can't blame me for not starting that shit yet. But looks like all these are just gonna be the same. Like, it's either just some glasses or some nut, bro. Like, stop it. Stop it, please. Stop, bro. Oh my god, Blaze. Alright, guys. Well, thank you so much for, if you watched the whole thing or you watched a little bit of it, doesn't really matter. Thank you for spending a little time with your boy again. It takes me a while to do these types of things. It takes like fucking days for, I just reset this video, I feel bad. It takes like days for some of these to upload because my computer is so slow. There we go. Last pack. Wait, that was the last pack. That's it, guys. I tore through those so fast. That was the last pack. But yeah, GG's, guys. Some really crazy hits. We got this really insane Colby card. Absolutely wild. Yeah, that just made the whole thing worth it. It's so funny, the first pack magic just makes the whole opening worth it. In fact, I'll do a little cool segment where I can look up the rarity and price of some of these cards. I know these SRs are not really worth it, but we do got some crazy hits that we'll make sure to add to the binder. But yeah, let's check out some of these prices. All right, so here we are. We got this lightly played Colby card for about $25, we'll say. Not bad. We can go ahead and look up this Luffy card while we're at it. Oh, that's not it. No, it's not the manga, unfortunately. It's this one. Oh, no, it's this one. It says $6. Well, maybe because of the reprint, it's like $6, yeah. So we're not doing too hot with the pack opening in terms of value. But in terms of collecting, we are fucking up, boys. I mean, look at all these Namis, man. How could you go wrong with all these Namis? That is a dub in my book. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed it. And we'll be back. You know that we will be back, guys. I'll catch you. Catch you.
Looking at my bitch, I bet she give your ass a bone. Looking at my wrist, it'll turn your ass to stone. Stretch limousine, sipping rosé all alone. Double-headed monster with a mind of his own.